Smile Sunday, dear friends. This is Alka Sudhani talking to you every Sunday. Yes, I want to take away your pains all over the body, pains because of stress, pains of any kind. People come to me who are strong enough to take acupuncture or the seed therapy that I do, where I tie seeds with a paper tape onto the hands of the patients. Today I'm going to introduce you to yet another therapy, which is auricular therapy, where I would either needle very micro needles on the ears or put these seeds. It's a very, very small seeds which could be just applied on the ear for any issues of the body and the mind. But today I'm going to talk about pains. So these are the seeds which I put, and pains of any kind could be removed. But yes, what can you do yourself? That is my motive for our Sunday connection. So in auricular therapy, what we understand that the whole body can be understood as a fetus in the mother's body. This is the first position. As you go further, the position of the fetus could change and the child could change. But here, what I'm going to explain to you is the first step, the basics, where it is the fetus in the in the mother's womb. So the head is in the lower position. So this is considered the head. And as you go up, this hard portion is the spine. So the cervical, thoracic, and lumbar. So this entire portion could be massaged for your spine pains. So if the baby is lying cuddled in his mother's womb, the knee pain, the ankle pain, spine pain, everything could be managed. Now, what you can do yourself if you just start massaging. So this I'm massaging the spine. There is a very beautiful protocol called the NADA protocol used all over the world for addictions, for stress, for sleeplessness, where just 5 points are put either by seeds or by needles to relieve any kind of stress or addictions or pains, which also can be done on a very micro level. But here what we will do is, whatever issues you have, whether it is addiction, whether it is pains, whether it is stress, sleeplessness, so what you will start doing is you will start massaging the ear. And you'll know how much you will get relaxed. You can do it on both the sides. You can pull your ears, you can pull your ears, pull your ears. And then lastly, what we'll do is, we'll make a V shape with our hands and we will start massaging the ears like this, down, down. For giving a very good massage, you can actually do once at a time, 1 year at a time. So just do it for about 100 counts, and also notice that you are draining your lymph. You are draining your lymph. Then you can do to the other side also. Suppose you do it 100 times, it would be 100 seconds. Just a minute and a half. So dear friends, relax this Sunday. Even if you sleep for 2 hours on the Sunday afternoon, I don't think the benefit would be as much as massaging the ear. Believe me. Thank you. Have a great day. Happy Sunday. Smile Sunday. Bye bye.